It's a beautiful day the Lord has made, and we should be glad and rejoice in His word, in His name. I'm flamboyant lifestyle, and this be what matter come. You know, say this world where we date inside the womb. Plenty people where they marry now, where they divorce now. Some of the matters where you did a relationship inside now, or the marriage inside now. If you bust your mind, where if you tap, if you talk, say, I be this issue there, man go feel solve. If they love themselves. Some of the issue you need to say, if the man go see say in woman there's some brother do or something, you know, for the bed topper, if you lead that thing into what divorce. And you also, if the woman need to go back, say the man need to do the what the something plus what the woman and some woman there, that one need to the what they lead to that thing. Where this world where we come inside womb, plenty people they what they fix it, then they laugh, then they care and things. But if matter come, they know if you stand and solve the issue, no plus themselves. Because you know, say this world where we date inside the womb, every brother in what? In shortcomings. Every brother get fought for in body. Where he did the life inside where they live. Because no brother where you go talk say in there, since them born them to the day where you reach or today now, you know do something where you be wrong before. It be part of what? Human life. The matter where you can't be say, this popular musician where he did Uganda, where the Nebellam Julia Mascasara, this woman go marry another what? Another shorty for Canada. The matter where you can be say, either in what? In man who day, the man where you marry for the say that they love themselves, you know. They marry for so many years where they get 3 kiddies, where the kiddies need to grow for them what? Them a relationship inside. Where right now, the man who do him might say, you go what? You go divorce the woman. Where you divorce the woman, where the woman top for 16 years, the woman will not take any what? Any man say, they go what? They go settle plus or something. Where the woman travel. The woman travel to the way you left the kiddies, you know, give the man for the Uganda there, where the woman will go Canada. The woman who go Canada, we know year of family again, we know the year what they go on, we know the year in songs and things. Recently, well, last week now, this woman can post was pictures where they show say she married. Maybe so it be nice. If you go spy the pictures, wow, you will see the pictures for the screen top. We go spy the pictures now. It be some woman be where they do wedding. Hey, bro, you know be easy. Where then they kiss, where then they do so many things for the what? The picture inside. Where Charlie, it bust my mind. Where I thought say, hey, this life inside here. If it's something where you know take your time or what, you go worry you are. Where you don't know say, you go worry you to know, you go end up to so many what situation where you go find yourself at. Because you say you know pound there, and can you know go what, you know go do. But the woman can't talk say you know regret. You know regret because men where them did this word inside you know. There be some men be where them do they don't know how to respect ladies. They don't know how they go talk plus what. Them are for like them are wives or them are girlfriends and things. So he fed up say the man go day. So right now he take go women that are there. The woman there, he be in fellow woman. So anything be I go do be you go take her like that. We are talk say now this woman she be correct or something. It be your own decision where you make. But me na tap at you say every brother get fought. Every brother get fought for him body way in there like them did this word inside. So even though if the man who do you something, either I'm go feel what? Go feel settle the case in between the two of you. See the kiddies where you people get for the what? The marriage inside. Where right now you go Canada go marry another woman. What the kiddies, you know, then go put for them head inside say, if one of mommy cry go show one a puppy, then go marry her. If I don't go marry in fellow woman, then you get the same thing where you did on my body, no. How? What the kiddy need to do will think. You go have an effect for the what? The kiddy them a lifestyle inside. The kiddy self crown you affect them because the mommy and the puppy you know they live what together. Where right now need to know the mommy need to go do something where the kiddies need to know say it be something where happen to her. See what the woman need to go do. You go marry in fellow what woman. You know be easy. You know be easy cry. Where the thing to way be identity way for in career inside way plenty people know for the word inside say they sound they sing. You know they do any music pass say they do gospel music. That's why it come and mind inside say plenty people they fake them a what them a lifestyle with them day inside. Then they fake them a lifestyle to their reason say, you know, say gospel musicians born now they talk about Jesus Christ, say Jesus Christ be the savior for the world inside. You die, you will go in dead and things. Where you now, where you do, you preach that gospel to people through your music, the way you sing the intents, see there's something where you do what you go do. What the people when they listen to your music, they go what they go take. Some people crowd go to the level say you be them a role model. The way you dress, the way you talk, the way they sing, the way they live your lifestyle. Some people crowd go feel. Some people they live that lifestyle also because then see say you there you be what you be some bro way you dey what you dey enlighten them so everything be a way you dey do no you what it be something where you good so them to them go do some what you go do no some what to go do where you be your follower. You know say it be something where God go what God go come inside and God will can't talk the something. This life inside he did a what bunch religious books where he did the word inside he say it dey inside say if you marry where you no marry well it be what it be our way man no to know it be woman where the am go dey where you be woman to her it be woman to where the am go what go dey this be the something where what it happen. If you go feel leave your comment it be very what necessary you leave your comment I talk wow if you go feel leave your own your advices anything be way you dey want talk you go feel what leave for the comment box inside you finish you go feel go on a social media platforms it be what too much GH you like you share any video be you go see any pictures be you go see then you like then you share then you do then you know say you dey one back. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed. Pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break be and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ne hwe too much GH mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire
too much GH we boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura